On this small class, not talk again. Hello guys, do you know that you can actually make over $100 with just trading a single coin? So follow me to the end of this very video so that you can really understand how we really do this, because I actually do this and it works. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like the videos, share the video as well so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let me show you, let me quickly walk you through. All right, the first step you just need to do is to make sure that you have a verified Bybit account or any other exchange account that is going to take you through trading. All right, now this is what we do these days. In the past videos, I mentioned about this coin called a TA coin. Okay, I showed you a lot of review about this TA coin. I said it's a truster AI is building a trusted identity network for the AI era, aiming to create universal credit system for both human and also artificial intelligence using its proprietary AI behavioral fingerprint technology. I also walk you through its market cap back then, which was actually less than 16 million. The circulating supply, which was actually very reasonable, is 180 million. This shows that by God's willing, this particular cryptocurrency coin is going to blow up. All right. So this is what we did here. What we did here was actually to invest in this particular cryptocurrency coin called TA. When we invested in this TA, we invested in this TA with maximum patience, and tolerance. Because when we started this investment, the TA already was no longer favorable. But I did the investment based on the previous movement. You understand? Even when this particular cryptocurrency coin got to this level, got to this level, got to this place, I dropped a video asking my subscribers and also my community members to try purchase this particular coin. Some did and some did not. Okay, meanwhile, for those one who did, congratulations to you already. But I purchased this coin when this coin was actually 0.04 or so. Now I've gained more than 2 times of my purchasing power. Right? I bought this particular coin with roughly 140 or so. Now you can see how we actually turn this 140 to 250 to 280 or even 300 to 300, sorry, with patience. Right? So in this actually July, this is one of the major cryptocurrency coin you should concentrate on and start trading in order for you to what, to gain a reasonable money this year if you really want to make money this year. All right. And in my next class, I'm going to drop 3 good cryptocurrency coin you're going to concentrate on. You will really need to concentrate on this particular 3 cryptocurrency coin throughout this July if you need to make profit while trading crypto. Okay, so if you must make profit, then you must concentrate on this particular crypto, on these 3 cryptocurrency coin that I'm going to drop. All right, so let's see how much actually I've actually gained right here. You can see it. This is what my volume turned to. And to be sincere, I'm not actually ready to sell right now. Do you know why? Because I'm still seeing some high potential with this particular cryptocurrency coin. What I'm looking at this particular cryptocurrency coin to run an anniversary this month. Because this particular cryptocurrency coin was launched July 2025. It was launched back then in July 2025. Let's see. You can see here. You can see here, this particular cryptocurrency coin was launched July 2025. And in that July, it has taken a reasonable movement. It was launched here. It was launched 2025 July on the 21st. Okay, so we're hoping for it to take its anniversary to either go to 1.6 or go to its overall high of 0.3, which was here. Of 0.3, which was here. You understand? Of which we're actually hoping by God's willing it will get to this particular volume. Okay, what if it get to this particular volume? How much am I going to make? You see, how much am I going to make? That's the questions. Okay, let's quickly check it out. If it goes to, we'll come to this place and change this volume to 0.3. So if it goes to 0.3, how much am I going to make? So I'm going to make 937.5. You can see 937.5 converted to my own naira, because I'm doing this from Nigeria. I'm going to make a reasonable volume of money. So my hope is for it to land at this place, and my 3,125 coins will be converted to a huge money. The next thing I will just need to do, boom, I'll just sell it and make my own reasonable profit. So what are you waiting for? There's still an opportunity for you to dive into this particular cryptocurrency coin and also make a lot of reasonable profit from it. All right. You can look at in my assets here. You can see what I earn overnight. You can see it over here. All right. You can see it all over here. Though I'm sticking a lot of trades that need to wake up. Sticking a lot of trades that actually need to wake up. Let's see what some of those merchants are saying about it. It says show your stocks trade. Okay, let's see the people who are talking about this TA coin. So I always tell you, one of the major things that increase cryptocurrency coin is hyping, and one of the most major is God grace. Okay, because a lot of people hype this particular cryptocurrency coin in the past, and it's actually pumping now because a lot of investors are actually getting interest on it. And if you look at this TA coin, it has been doing very, very well in the past. It's one of those powerful coin that attracts attentions of investors. Okay, so it's one of the cryptocurrency coin you can focus on and start trading right now. So in my next video, I'm going, as I mentioned earlier, in my next video, I'm going to drop 3 cryptocurrency coin, just three cryptocurrency coin that you'll be trading this July by God's willing, and that you make a rational profit. Okay, and you make rational profit, just 3 of them. So this brings me to the end of this particular class. If this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe. And if you are returning viewers and you are still yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, like our videos, share our videos so that this can continue. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.